Yeah, pull up.
How did he get it? He's working as Lega.
Okay, now that's good. Okay, thank you.
I don't really know. For children, I'm working, but children no longer going to school. I should have been there. They asking me, where is daddy coming back? Where is daddy coming back? Oh, Magazine, please help me save my husband. Nigeria, help me save my husband. I have 4 children, they're no longer going to school.
I'd love to know, how did your husband get involved in
It was a go-come. I did not see him. I was calling him. The number is not going through. I was so worried. I told my neighbor, my husband is not yet back for work. The next day we went to his working place. They said they don't even know what happened to him. Since they have been their office, all this one been going up and down. Because the children are asking me, where is daddy's coming back home? Mommy, where is daddy? I even thought to commit suicide to kill myself because I don't really know what to do. I never hear from him. Every present I keep calling him, the number is switched off. It's like yesterday's called me around 2 o'clock and say, honey, they will be taking us to court. I don't even know what is happening. It's not a line, it's another line. He used to call me yesterday.
Since 6 months ago, you just didn't hear from him yesterday.
I never hear from him since 6 months until yesterday.
At any point,
that he was taken?
Who call me? They not even call me. It's when I be working where they say they arrest him based on the code. I say my husband is a civilian, not a soldier. How come? They said they did not know anything. Since then, my children is not going to school. The landlord wants to throw us out of the house. We are just there. Nobody to help. Muna help me. Nigeria help me. My breathing. I want Nigeria to help me. My cousin Gobe, please help me save my husband. Nigeria, Muna help me.
Tell us your husband's name again.
Zekeri Umoru is my husband. Muna help me save my husband. He's an electrician. Muna help me save my husband. Muna help me, Nigeria, beg you. Muna help me. Because of my children, I have 4 children. They are no longer going to school. They are at home. Please help me, Nigeria. Magazine, please help me. Please help me to save my... Muna help me save my husband.
what you are saying is upon the arrest of your husband, you do not understand the reason to
I don't even know. I don't even
the
know.
station to which he was
Since 6 months, I did not hear from him. Until yesterday, he called me, say, honey, and then we be taking me to court tomorrow. It's when I hear him voice since 6 months, since last year. Even the children are asking me, mommy, where is daddy coming back? Where is daddy coming back? I say, I don't know.
That's very fine. Thank you very much.
I don't know. No more